Now for the average formula, it is quite straightforward formula. You have to select the average and select the range here. So you can see the average is 7, and you can select multiple columns here as well. So if you expand that, you can see it is doing the count average against the uh, 26 count. You can see here 351.77. So if I select uh, third column as well for average, and if it is containing the character value, it will ignore that, like this. If any cell has that character value, it will simply ignore it and the count will remain the same. You can see here. So 39, but average is remaining the same. But for average A, it will consider the number of columns with the string value as well. So you can see here that it is number of count is decreased because it is dividing by 39 now.